comment, subscribe, and let me know what other content you guys like and what you would like to see, and let me know what you think about this project. So as you can see, if you read in the title, that we are doing a welcome sign DIY project today. And so we moved here a few months ago. The front porch area is a little bland, and so found this piece of wood out here in the garage. I don't remember where it's from, but I think it'll work. And so first things first, we're going to stain it. I've already given it a wipe down. I might wipe it down again, but we're just going to go ahead and stain it and go from there. Got a glove here to protect my hand, a stain, and a towel. It looks dirty, but it's clean. I've done a lot of it. Just dip it and go with the grain. This one looks. It's going. This one is sticky. Oh yes, I am loving this color. Wasn't sure if it was going to be dark enough, but it is. Alright, so at this point I have let the stain sit for about 15 minutes and then I wiped it off. I had to head upstairs and get on my cry cut, and I basically just cut out the letters welcome. I measured the board to get the size of the lettering and I cut them all out. And I don't know if I want to keep welcome, like I don't know if I want to change it, and so instead of painting it, I'm going to use the cry cut method with the lettering. And I've gone ahead and taped off the spacing between each letter so it's straight. Then so it's even going across, and then I've taped off where I want it to start, so for each letter to start when I peel them off. And so right now it's all about placing the lettering. I want to try to get it as straight as possible. So let me try to set this camera up at a decent angle to get all of this. have it all laid out on here, but it's kind of plain to me. It's kind of boring. And so I'm about to go in my closet of goodies and just kind of play around with some stuff and see what I can come up with. And I'll show you the final product. So this is the final product. I sprayed a little gloss spray on top, an adhesive spray to just keep it down a little longer. I got the flowers from just some leftover other projects I've had, and I got the twill wire here from Dollar Tree for $1, this for $1. So it really came together cute. The red is really gonna pop with my next project, so stay tuned for the next project to see this beauty on the porch and see the whole porch come together. Thank you.